I'm here today with the Super-Brella Ultra versus the Premier, and as you can see, this one is a little higher to take with you, and this one just a little bit thicker. With both you can easily put those on, so that's not a problem at all. Just a little bit higher. My wife finds this a little bit too high for her to take with her, so this is a little bit better in that regard. But let's set both of these up side by side so you can see what the difference is. Okay, so both of these cover 8 feet, although the Premier's looks a little bit larger to me. So I think that's because it has a little bit more side flaps there. So let me show you. So here they both are. And this one just has a little less of those slanted side flaps that you have here. It's a little bit larger. Also the openings here, so you can, the viewing angle, so you can see on the side here, whereas this one is just one in the back, so you can view what's happening at the back of you. So you have a little bit more viewing options perhaps with this one as well. But I think the biggest difference, it's not really the size. This covers a little bit more of a shade, that one. But the biggest difference here is this pole. So this one has an extendable pole, which is separate. So you can extend that from here and then make that a little bit larger. So it's not really necessary when you put it down like this, but that allows you to also stake this in the ground and then use it as a regular sunshade. So just pointing upward. So that is a nice addition if you want to use that some of the time. And this one here, it does not have that. So the pole is just a little bit shorter. It also has a shorter poking stick right there than that one. And that's perhaps because you only need to poke it in the ground for it to be like slanted like this, whereas that also should be in the ground for when you want to stake it and have all its weight on that one pole. So it's not recommended to use these in heavy wind. I think that's quite fair, although the stakes are quite large, so you can put them in the sand very, very deep. And then these flaps, you can attach them with those poles. So it's still pretty sturdy, especially in a camping ground, like here on the grass, but also on the beach. With this one, you also get these lines. So that's also just a little bit more secure and sturdy. I think this could take a little bit more wind, but I haven't had a situation where that one wasn't enough for me. So for me, I really like the Ultra because it's a little bit easier to set up. It's just flip open and then you're ready to go. Whereas this one you have to put in the pole as well. It's a little bit heavier and wider here to carry, but this one is just a little bit higher. So if you're a small person, then perhaps this is just a little bit too much to put on your back. For me, it's fine. But for my wife, for example, she prefers to take this one because she can fit that around her shoulder. And whereas that one, she can't. So I think it's all about preferences here. Just easy setup, one click, you're good to go. And this one just an additional step. So for me, that will be why I like these Ultra more. And I get it if you like the Premiere more, but I hope this video has helped you to know the differences between these two and make your choice here. So thanks for watching.